Aloha, mabuhay, everybody out there in the web. Stay tuned for my quick and simple roasted Dungeness crab recipe. Alright, for the quick recipes, the trick here, you see what I have on the list here, but crack the crabs a little bit so that all the recipe ingredients get in there, alright? And here's a quick look, an example of how it looks like where you lay all the butter and everything, and then before you wrap it all up. All right, at 350, 20 to 40 minutes, depending on how thick your foil is and how many wrappings you have, you know. The idea is you want it definitely hot. You want everything melted, but at the same time, you want to be able to grab and dig in there and start cracking the crab, all right? Again, you know, just a quick reminder, crack that crab a little so that when it's steaming inside the foil, all that butter and garlic and basil and pepper are getting inside that crab meat. And then, of course, you can use those juices to mop up all that delicious flavor that you've actually created inside that pan. So here's the magic question. How much crab do you get? Hope this helps you. Enjoy!